few minutes to view this video, we decided that it would be a good idea to bring some clarity to our business models. And so the purpose of this video is just to provide some very specific information about exactly what goes in the boxes for our business model. And today, and for our July board meeting, we're just going to focus on the right-hand side of our business models, which is all about the customer perspective. And then when we get into the August video and also our August board meeting, we'll start working into the revenue stream and into the offer and our value proposition and finally into our activities. But today we'll focus right here on the right. And so the box that is at the very far end of our business model sheet, the customer segments, when we think about those segments, we'd like for you to think about the singular, in other words, the individuals. And so the question there is who? Who is it that we are trying to reach and who we are wanting to serve? And then as we move a little bit further left, a couple more boxes, the customer relationships, that is about how. And the question there is, how do we engage people? What does the relationship look like? And what forms do those relationships take? And then finally, the other box is channels. And the channels, think about where. And this is the plural part, and it's where do we reach these individuals? What types of organizations? Where would we find them? And so then Bill Krosky is going to walk us through his education model. Oh,
thank you. Okay, so first, who are the customers we want to engage with in an education pillar? For example, the educator. Also, we want to engage with the student. And in addition, we would like to engage with parents. Then, how are we going to engage? We're going to have different kinds of relationships with people in the schools. Some of the relationships will be client relationships. Some of the relationships will be student relationships. Some of the relationships will be in a manner of serving. And some of them will be part of our attempt to, and our goal, our mission, to encourage leaders, to build leaders of character. And then finally, the channels, as Mary said, are the places where we're going to engage. And in the school pillar, we're going to engage, of course, in schools. But we're also going to engage with PTAs or PTOs, parent groups. And we'll be engaging with school boards. And district leadership.
So thanks, Bill. So we hope you found this short video to be of help to you. We would recommend, after you've thought about this a little bit more, to go back and to look at that business model that you created to see if maybe you might want to simplify. We found in working through this that the more simple that we can make it, we think the better that it is, the stronger that it is. And then as we said, we'll be back in touch with another video in August where we'll deal with more of the left-hand side of the business model. Thanks again for viewing, and we'll see you at the board meeting next week.